Hi everybody, this is teacher Farah Al-Maymooni. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 2, If Conditional, Pupils Book page 23, Activity Book page 17. First, let's revise the new words of page 22. Number 1, Argentina, Argentina. Number 2, Australia, Australia. Number 3, Brazil, Brazil. Number 4, Canada, Canada. Number 5, China, China. Number 6, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia. Number 7, France, France. Number 8, South Africa, South Africa. Number 9, Spain, Spain. Number 10, the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom. Number 11, the United States, the United States. Number 12, Turkey, Turkey. All right. Now this conversation is also in page 22. Dan, look, there's a competition for a round the world trip. Robbie, where will you go if you win? Dan, I'll go to Saudi Arabia to see the Masmak Fort. That's my dream. Robbie, what other countries will you visit? Dan, I'll probably go to China and maybe Australia too. Robbie, wow! If you go to Australia, you'll see lots of snakes. Dan, really? Okay, maybe I won't go there. Now the question, where will Dan go if he wins a free trip? He will go to Saudi Arabia, China, and Australia, even though he changed his mind at the end about Australia, but he did want to go there. Okay, now what about you? If you win a free trip, where will you go? Okay, me personally, if I win a free trip, I'll go to Japan, actually. Okay, grammar rule. If I win a free trip, I will go to Spain. All right, we have two sentences here. We have the sentence with the if, conditional, and we have a future sentence. So, the future sentence can only happen if the first sentence happens. If I win a free trip, okay, I will go to Spain. I can't go to Spain unless I win a free trip. So this sentence has to happen in order for this sentence to happen, okay? So I have to win a free trip in order to go to Spain, okay? That's the use of the if. It's about like wishing or wanting something. Okay, let's see. If Dan wins a free trip, he will go to Saudi Arabia. Look, there's an S with the verb because Dan is a singular. When it's one person you're talking about, you have to add an S to the verb. Like he, the pronoun he. If he wins a free trip, he will go to Saudi Arabia. Let's talk about the pronouns one more time. On this side, we've got I, they, we, you. We use when, no S. I, when. They, when. We, when. You, when. On the other side, we've got she, he, it. We use whens with an S. She wins. He wins. It wins. Let's put them to sentences. If they win, no S, a free trip. One more time. If they win a free trip, let's use a pronoun from this side. If she wins a free trip, see, we used an S with the verb because it's she. We use We add an S to the verb when there is she, he, it. This is very important. Okay, let's see the sentences now. If I win a free trip, I will go to Spain. If they win a free trip, they will go to Spain. If we win a free trip, we will go to Spain. If you win a free trip, you will go to Spain. There is no S with the verb because the pronouns are I, they, we, you. Let's change the pronouns. If she wins a free trip, she will go to Spain. We add an S to the verb when we are using she or talking about one person. If he wins a free trip, he will go to Spain. Also, so young ladies and young men, we are adding S to the verb when we are using she or he. All right? Now, another way to ask a question. If you win a free trip, will you go to France? The answer has to be yes, I will, or no, I won't. Okay? One more time. If you win a free trip, will you go to France? You can answer with yes, I will, or no, I won't. We can do a role playing in the class. If you win a free trip, will you go to the United States? You can answer with yes, I will, or no, I won't. Another one can be, if you win a free trip, will you go to the United Kingdom? You can answer with yes, I will, or no, I won't. Another way, if you win a free trip, will you go to South Africa? You can answer with yes, I will, or no, I won't. When you're asking about another person like Dan, if Dan wins a free trip, will he go to France? Yes, he will, or no, he won't. If we're asking about a girl, if Sarah wins a free trip, will she go to Argentina? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. So this is our lesson. This was Teacher Farah Al Maimouni. Thank you very much.